Hi everybody, I'm out for a walk today and I thought that today we could think about, I'd tell you about my walk, and today we can think about solving word problems by using a number line. And look at my number line, I drew it with chalk on the road. Isn't that a great idea? I hope you draw it with chalk on the driveway. You know, be careful where you draw it with chalk, but it would be great if you drew a number line with chalk too if you have some at home. But you could also just draw a number line with pencil and paper if you want to help you. This is another way to solve word problems, so let's do it. Here we go. So, ready? I'm going to tell you about my walk that I just had. First, I saw 3 birds. Ooh, so I want to stand right here on 3. Then I saw 2 more birds. That's an adding story, isn't it? So when I use the number line and I'm going to add, I go this way. So I got to add 2 more. Ready? 1, 2. That means I saw 5 birds altogether. Now I know a lot of you probably could do that one in your head again, but remember, they won't always be small numbers. You have to have different ways to solve word problems. Ready for the next one? Here we go. Ooh, I made 7 chalk drawings. So I'm going to start at the 7. But when I went out the next day, 5 of them had washed away. So how many chalk drawings did I have left? Ooh, this is a takeaway story, isn't it? Here we go. So when we do takeaway, we want to go this way down the number line because the numbers get smaller. We're taking away. So we know whenever we take something away, we're going to have less. We're going to have smaller numbers. So we got to go this way when we take away on the number line. So I had 7 chart drawings and then 5 washed away. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I had 2 drawings left. That's sad. I hope that doesn't happen again. Okay, so I want you to draw a number line and solve the problems of the day using your number line. And remember, you can do it in chalk if you want, like I did, but you can always just do it with pencil and a piece of paper too. Here we go. Here are the problems of the day. I walked for 5 minutes, and then I walked for 3 more minutes. How many minutes did I walk? Ready for the next one? When I was walking, I looked up in a tree and I spied 6 squirrels up in the tree. But the next minute, 4 of them went chittering away and they ran away. So how many were left in the tree? Okay, those are my problems of the day. Have a nice day, everybody.